Baguio season again.
Walang pasok, no?
Wala.
Sarap.
Ilang days na.
Wow. Sarap sa mga estudyante. Pero nightmare sa mga magulang.
Yep.
Ito ngayon, we're on our way to my in-laws house because i-drop off namin si Chuleta.
True.
And alam niya na nalulungkot na siya. Kasi anytime now, yeah, we're giving birth.
Yep.
Malapit na. And also, we're gonna check on our nursery room dito sa bahay ng in-laws ko. Final preparations, kumbaga. Grabe rin itong mga grab drivers natin. Rain or shine, ihatid ang pagkain.
Yep.
Tsaka much respect sa mga drivers natin and sana ingat kayo kasi ang basa ng daan at syempre madulas. Pero syempre kailangan pa rin gawin, hanap buhay no matter what. Kung sa Dubai naman sobrang init. Dito naman yun, maulan. Sa mga driver na naiinip sa mga motor, huwag nyo namang businahan ng todo. Kasi syempre tayo, may protection tayo dito sa loob. Sila wala. Konting consideration.
Laging sinasabi sa akin ng dad ko before, pag umuulan, pagbigyan nyo na yung mga nakamotor tsaka yung mga tumatawid na naglalakad.
Oo.
Kasi tayo nasa kotse naman tayo eh.
Tama.
Diba?
Pero actually, na-feel ko talaga nung nagmomotor na ako. na naging mas empathic ako. Gagawa muna tayo ng snack para sa buntis. So, pahiran natin ng sesame oil, yung steamer. Yan lang. Para hindi didikit and para mabango. Then ito, kung gusto nyo, pwede mo rin lagyan ng konting sesame oil. Para mabango yung ating steaming liquid for our siumai and siupaw. Laking bagay talaga pag nag-invest kayo ng steamer sa bahay. Kasi marami kayong pwedeng gawin maliban sa siomai at siopaw. Pwede rin kayo mag-steam ng isda. And then yun, again, pahiran nyo ng sesame oil para mabango. Chuleta, this is not for you. This is for your mom. Are you hungry?
What's this?
OJ. Then, siguro this will take, pag nag-boil na, it will take 20 minutes. This will take around 3 to 4 minutes till it boils. Chuleta, this will be your home for the next couple of days while your mother gives birth. So dito yung bahay ni Chuleta. That's your bed.
Siya si Harry Potter dito.
Oo.
But she likes that area.
Ito yung pantry niya. Oo. Yung cave niya, yung nook niya.
Whoa!
Tikman muna natin. Para lang natin kung luto talaga. Bago na. I-room service na natin to kay Buntis. All right. Merienda in bed.
Woo. Woo.
Is it comfortable?
So comfortable. Thank you.
Ta-da! Siumai and siupao. Oh, ang galing, no? Umupo ako dito, hindi gumalaw. It's a good sturdy bed. Not for you.
Yes, not for you, Chilla.
And that's gonna be our view. That's where baby Finn's gonna be. And this is where I'll be. Yan.
Buti na lang we can eat in bed kasi this cover is washable. So,
And so, ang galing, no? I'm moving here, but it's not moving there.
yep.
Alright, kain na.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. Up, you're not allowed to go up.
She loves the bed. Nakainis.
Bye, Chulera. We'll see you soon, okay? Next time we see you, may kapatid ka na. Where are we going again?
We're going to Fukui. This is recommended by Uncle Winston.
Fukui.
Buti na lang taas watch natin.
It's on Katipunan, right after Macdo. Tama ba? Yeah, I think it's this one. This new building after McDonald's on Katipunan. Yeah. Looks like it.
Yes, I see it.
You see it?
I mean, I see the sign.
So it's...
This one. You know, Fukui.
Chef Ronnie. Nice to meet you, Chef. And Chef Ronnie will feed us. And what do we have here? So we have, Chef Ronnie said that this is their omakase bar area. It can sit 5, right?
Yep.
And then you have your Japanese menu here. Tour muna tayo ni Chef. Teka lang. Wow, what a big kitchen.
Yeah, we integrated it, so we just outputting 2 different.
Ah, okay. So what's the other restaurant?
This one is William Watson's.
Is it Japanese as well?
No, it's a steakhouse.
Ah, it's a steakhouse. Oh, it looks like this steakhouse from New York,
Yeah.
kinda.
So we have a private room
Holy.
here also.
Oops. Hello. Hi. This is the private room. Nice. Love the interiors.
So, yeah, the entry point is you can either choose the right side for Fukui, or, and then you're able to cross order.
Okay.
Which is cool. I think we're the
Alright.
first one to do
Hello.
that concept here.
Yeah.
Once or twice a week. So I get imported fish also.
Okay.
And whatever's in season, I try to highlight the omakase.
All right.
We
Sige.
just launched the market in omakase here in the Philippines. We want to kind of revolutionize that.
All right, Chef. Well, I will take my wife on a little date here when she gives birth. You can't have raw yet, so what are you gonna get?
I am so tempted to get uni with squid egg pasta.
Now I'm gonna get.
And the chicken teriyaki.
Ako, since it's my first time, so I'm gonna try the tempura, and I want to try the beef misono. Na lang. I'm not very experimental. I don't know. It's a first time, so.
Kasi medyo bagyo. So, they say kapag bagyo, huwag mo na mag-order ng sashimi. Kasi walang usually the deliveries are not sure. I don't know.
Tanungin natin si Chef kung anong orderin natin.
Yeah.
Chef, what do you recommend? Say a 3-kind sashimi. Up to you.
I'll make you a little plan.
Okay. All right.
Is that just for you or the rest?
My wife can't have any. And then maybe just me and my father-in-law. Beef gyudon and ebi tempura. Ikaw na sa'yo.
Wait lang.
Ha? Flaming ano? Flaming maki.
More fusion style.
Ah. So you trained in the States? Where?
Japanese. I first started in Georgia, at Dorano's in Savannah, Georgia. All Japanese. Dishwashers were Japanese.
Nice, nice.
I was the only Philippine, American, English-speaking chef that made it through the gauntlet.
Well done. Ilan taong ka na kusinero?
Started around 20 when I was 20. I mean,
maybe we're the same age.
About 20.
Maybe we're the same age. Maybe.
Yeah,
Maybe. Alright, let's not say that. So this is Chef Ronnie, right? My parents. Nice. Namiss ko kumain ng dinis na ganito.
Next time you visit.
I mean, the nice thing about, you know, having a chef that you can talk to when you go to a restaurant is that, right? The connection.
I think that's what sets me apart from. It's very hard for them to communicate.
Yes,
right?
yes.
So engaging with the customer.
You have to engage with your guests.
I mean, especially if they're not Japanese. If they're Japanese, they can talk all day.
Yeah. For non-Japanese like us. Yeah. So that's what I was trying to say. Kanina I was trying to say something here. Nabubulol-bulol ako. Pero ang ibig kong sabihin, kung sa Tagalog pa, is maganda talaga pag magkaroon ka ng connection sa kusinero. Kasi pag nagkaroon ka ng connection, hindi dahil na magkakilala kami, pero nag-connect lang kayo. Alam mo yung pag example, pag may nakita kang, or pag yung na-meet mo yung asawa mo, nag-connect kayo. Yun, ito yung lalabas. Yung puso niya. Diba? Tama ba, Chef? Tama ba, Chef?
Let me say something for people that eat sushi. The sushi bar is the best place to sit. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know why people are scared to sit in sushi. You get in a sushi bar, you're gonna get your food first, you're gonna get the freshest. Secret.
And wag niyong guluhin at wag kayong makulit sa mga kusinero kasi titipirin nila yung portion. Hindi. In other words, just be nice. When you're nice, you know, it goes a long way.
Right.
Here's your different kinds of sashimi. So you have here the salmon with ikura. Ikura is the raw egg of the salmon. So akame, which is the leanest part of the tuna. So you have here the otoro, which is the fattiest part of the tuna. Hamachi, which is the amberjack, and then taco, which is the octopus. And then you have the onigiri sashimi. So enjoy your sashimi.
Thank you.
Sure will. Oh, sorry, you can't have it. Dito tayo kakain pag nanganak ka na. This is the beef gyudon because I'm craving for something beefy and it's gonna be a good meal. Unahin na siguro natin to. The fattiest part.
No wasabi.
Okay. Wasabi. Wasabi on one side. And then one side, soy sauce.
What's the name of the hotel? White House. White House?
Ayaw ko tayong gitin, pero... It's good.
Good? Okay.
The chef was kind enough to give us some wasabi. Normally pang omakase lang daw to, pero yun nga. I guess he's in a good mood today.
He said it's a bit young.
It's a bit young.
I'm sure it's
Hence the color.
the wasabi is really nice.
It is.
Fresh wasabi.
How's your katsudon?
It's very good this one.
I am so happy that we found a new Japanese spot. Ito, balita ko yung tempura nila masarap rin daw. May laban daw sa mga ibang tempura places na kinakainan natin. Uy, from here pa lang naamoy mo na. And from here pa lang, itsura pa lang, it looks very, very promising. Ginger radish.
Dubai Airport. Then we get White House.
No sauce muna. With sauce na.
Meron din kami order.
Di ba daming klaseng tempura? May iba sobrang crunchy, may ibang sobrang medyo on the kind of like doughy, dense side. This is like, ito parang old school Japanese tempura na outer layer, it's crunchy, but then you get that battery texture, and the shrimp they use is so sweet and plump. Also, the oil, the frying technique, it's good. Kaya kanina from afar pa lang naaamoy mo na I guess naaamoy mo yung mantika and yung pagprito na maganda. So yeah, this is a tempura na balik-balikan. It tastes very, very nostalgic. Wow. This is the set. May tempura, may chicken teriyaki, may sashimi. How much is this? $8.50. And you got the same. It's refreshing to find places like this, no? Hotcha ba, ma'am? Masarap. Yan ba yung una mong kainin? Sashimi? Or medium rare steak? Sashimi. So pagbalik tayo dito, order tayo ng 6 kinds. Lahat-lahat. Inggit ka, hindi ka nakakain ng sashimi.
Sobra.
We'll come back there. Or go back there. Pag pwede ka na. But yeah, it was good, no? It was good. I'm happy that well, they've been open for a year and a half.
Really?
Or 2 years.
Tagal na pala.
Tagal na. Pero it's everyone's little secret. Ala, pag na-post ko ito, mga magalit yung mga nag-gatekeep ng lugar na to. Nagpaalam naman ako sa chef. Chef, pwede ko ba i-vlog to? Sabi niya, yeah, sige chef, no worries. So, wala lang. I'm just happy to discover like a go-to Japanese restaurant here in this area.
Thank you, Uncle Winston.
Yeah, thanks, Uncle Wins. Si Uncle Wins talaga is of fine taste. Kaya, kuhan ko, pag sinabi ni Uncle Winston na masarap yan, tikman mo. Sige. Pagdating sa mga recommendations, or especially food recommendations, importante na credible ang resource person mo.
Of course.
Diba?
Kasi, taste is very subjective. Diba?
And taste is, well, I guess, si Uncle Wins, yung taste profile niya gusto natin eh. At
yes,
para sa akin, accurate yung, hindi accurate eh, maganda ang taste niya. Yun yung hindi mo mabibili. Mabibili mo ang mga ano ba? There are some things money can't buy, and that's taste.
That's true. And meron tayong nakuhang comment before, parang when we did the China Blue vlog, na parang sabi nila na ang mahal-mahal dyan, dapat lang masarap yan. Pero hindi totoo yan. Maraming mahal na restaurant dito na hindi masarap. At maraming hindi mahal na masarap.
Yeah.
So it's not in the price.
Yeah. Pero in China Blue, it's not cheap.
It's not cheap, but it's good. It's worth your money.
Yeah. And then may nagsabi rin na, dapat pumunta kayo sa ganito, sa ganyan, mas masarap doon. Oo, nakapunta na ako doon, pero ito yung nagustuhan ko. Kaya, pakanya-kanyang tayo.
Meron pang mga nagtanong, like, alam ba talaga natin kung anong dim sum? Well, I grew up eating dim sum almost every Sunday since para siyang family tradition eh.
Yeah.
So,
I guess,
yes.
Yung asado pork, it's under roast. So, grabe naman. Nung sobrang strict naman.
Hindi naman porket dim sum lang pwedeng orderin. Diba?
Kasi yung caption kasi, the best dim sum place. Now, let us go home and really, really close isara na natin yung mga suitcase natin at ilagay na natin dito sa kotse and on standby na talaga tayo.
Oh, kasi tomorrow is my exact due date.
Yeah.
So,
okay, so
yes.
wish us luck, guys. Pray for us, please. Thank you.